Thousands of students apply for jobs every day, but most resumes never reach the interviewer. Why? Because of ATS systems. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build an amazing AI resume analyzer using Python and VS Code. This project can scan resumes, detect skills, calculate ATS score, and compare resumes with job description automatically. This is one of the best AI projects for college student placement preparation, internships, and Python beginners. So let's build it step by step. Step 1, Project 1. Before building the project, let's see the final output. Here, users can upload their resume in PDF format. The AI system extracts all resume text automatically. Then it detects technical skills like Python, SQL, machine learning, React, and cloud computing. Finally, it calculates the ATS score and compares the resume with the job description. Now let's start building the project. First, create a new folder called AI Resume Analyzer. Then open this folder inside VS Code. Inside the project folder, create these files: f.py, resume, parser.py, skill extractor.py, ATS score.py, and requirement.txt. Now open the VS Code terminal and install the required Python libraries. We are using Streamlit for the website interface, PDF Plumber for reading PDF resumes, scikit-learn for ATS score calculation, and NLTK for basic NLP processing. Create the main application. Open app.py. First import Streamlit, then create the website title. After that, add a file uploader so users can upload resumes. We also add a test area for job descriptions. Once the resume is uploaded, our AI system will extract the resume's text, detect skills, and calculate ATS score automatically. Now let's build the resume parser. Open resume parser.py. Here we use PDF Plumber to read PDF files. The system scans every page and extracts all text from the resume automatically. This extracted text becomes the input for our AI analysis system. Next, we build the skill extraction system. Inside skill extractor.py, create a database of technical skills. Then convert resume text into lowercase. The AI checks whether skills like Python, Java, skill React, Docker, and Kubernetes are present in the resume or not. If found, those skills are displayed on the screen automatically. Now let's build the ATS score calculator. ATS means Applicant Tracking System. Companies use ATS software to filter resumes before interviews. Here we compare the resume with the job description using machine learning. We use cosine similarity from scikit-learn. The higher the similarity score, the better the resume matches the job requirements. Now everything is ready. Open the terminal and run Streamlit run app.py. The browser automatically opens the AI resume analyzer website. Upload a resume and test the complete project. And that's how you can build your own AI resume analyzer using Python and VS Code. This project is perfect for final year student placement preparation, internships, and AI beginners. You can also add advanced AI features in the future. Example: AI generated resume suggestions, grammar correction, GPT powered improvements, resume ranking system, interview question generation, and dark futuristic dashboards. This feature can make the project even more powerful. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which AI project you want next. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just like and subscribe.